Daddy-O.
Wait, where is it? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. So we're already packing up, or my dad is. I'm supposed to be helping, but I'm not. I'm lazy. I really hope JC put on some sunscreen because that's the only thing I asked him to do, because I know the sun's gonna be tough. It's gonna be a lot. Who's that? Ah. It's Dad. Okay, Dad, we're gonna interview you because you know about the walk and I don't know what we're doing. Explain to us what this is.
It's an adventure. We cross the narrowest part of the Baja Peninsula from one sea to the other, and it's a great adventure.
Can you describe your own experience with the walk?
As a walker, it was very, very hard. When I was invited the first time, someone told me it is more mental than physical, and I didn't understand. But when I did it, I understood. You have to be decided. Your mind decides. There are 110 kilometers, so it builds up and you get very tired.
As a helper, what do you think was the hardest part?
Well, you have to work a lot because you make camp, you make food for your walkers, and you like camping. You love to do this. I haven't speak English in years. I hope
it sounds good.
You can understand me.
Acción. Second day. Any thoughts that went through your head when you were walking?
Why are you suffering? For no reason. I mean, that's not what I was thinking the whole time, but definitely that thought went through my mind. Like, what's the point of this? Whatever it takes to get it done. I'm already here. A lot of people out here just looking for a challenge. I'm here for the challenge.
Let's go inside, see what it looks like. I guess we're gonna get out of here before something eats me. So I did do my skincare today. I also helped JC with his. Very important to be well protected in the desert and with the wind and the dust. It's very important to wash your face. So I made sure to do that for him. Put a lot of sunscreen, very important. It's the last walk. You've done 2 already. How can we improve this walk with the things you've learned from the last 2?
I think I did well with active recovery. The idea was to take more breaks, and that worked because even though I was slow, I was steady. I mean, I finished, you know, which was the goal. Do feel that my muscles are a little bit better. It's just my feet that are really the problem. I'm estimating it's roughly, 10 hours.
What do you wish you would have done when you were training to get ready for this?
A 50-kilometer walk, 1. 2, I would have broken the socks as well. I think that had something to do. So I'm gonna use the socks that I used the first day instead of changing them again. And definitely not putting tape where you don't have blisters. I was contemplating giving up. That just gets more and more tempting with each step that you take. So it's important to take that time to remind yourself why you're doing this and feel motivated, which is good. Which is great. I think that's really all I need.